Hi and what's up? In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make sausage rolls, and it's going to be a very simple recipe and super delicious. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love showing you easy and amazing recipes, not forgetting super delicious. So to get started, over here I have very few ingredients for my sausage rolls. I have black pepper, salt, paprika, thyme, sausages, one small onion which I've diced, and ready-made puff pastry. I'm going to start by peeling my sausages, and it's very easy to peel the casing. All you need to do is just make a small tear and then everything else will follow. Super easy, just like that. I'm using 5 sausages because it is a recipe for about 4 to 5 people, because actually sausage rolls are appetizers. You serve sausage rolls when you have, at the beginning of your, if you have visitors, you serve them the sausage rolls, they have a bite while waiting for the main course. So to my bowl I'm going to add paprika and thyme, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Then I'm going to add onion. Make sure I get everything in the bowl. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I love black pepper. And a little bit of salt, like a pinch of salt, because the sausages are usually seasoned. Just a tiny bit of salt. Then I'm going to use my fork and mix everything together. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your baking tray like this one with parchment paper. If you don't have the baking tin and you have maybe the glass baking tray, you can use that as well. So everything is well combined, as you can see. So I'm going to place this aside, and then here is my puff pastry, and it's at room temperature. So you have to make sure that the pastry is at room temperature before using it, because if you unravel the wrapper, the paper, when it is cold, it will break. So you have to make sure that your pastry dough, your ready-made pastry dough, is at room temperature. Now I'm going to fill my pastry dough with the sausage that we seasoned, and it's going to be very fast. So I usually use a spoon. You can use a cookie scoop, you can use you can just use your hands also. Just make sure when you're using your hands, you make sure that your hands are wet, because it will be very sticky. Then I'm going to pick my dough and try and level up the sausage. Then I'm going to cut my pastry, remove the excess, use the fork and seal the sides like I'm showing you. Then I'm going to pick a knife and do a rough I'm making marks so that I can cut through the rolls like that. Make a clean cut just like that, and then this looks amazing. And then I'm going to pick my baking tray and place the rolls on top. Make sure you space the rolls so that once they start cooking, they don't stick on each other. And then I'm going to make some more. So it is that easy making sausage rolls. And buying the puff pastry is quite a hack. Actually, you save a lot of time. Then I'm going to fold this. So before popping this in the oven, I'm going to spread some egg wash on top, just for that brown color, golden brown color. You can use butter if you don't like eggs. Make sure that you melt. What you have to do is to melt the butter, then spread on top of the pastry dough. Once done, I'm going to bake my sausage rolls for 20 minutes. I am ready to serve my sausage rolls for breakfast, and it's going to be super delicious, and the kids are going to enjoy this as well so much. Not as well, they are going to enjoy this so much. So thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Catch you on my next one. Bye.